Feast your eyes on this magnificent piece of automotive history, the 1937 Ford Business Coupe, sold at auction for a remarkable $28,500. This vintage beauty is a true testament to the elegance and craftsmanship of a bygone era. Let's take a closer look at what makes this car so special. The 1937 Ford Business Coupe emerged during a time of great innovation and design in the automotive industry. Ford, a name synonymous with reliability and style, introduced this model with a sleek new design that stood out from its predecessors. With its streamlined body and distinct features, the 37 Coupe quickly became a favorite among business professionals and car enthusiasts alike. Back in 1937, the Ford Business Coupe was priced at around $600. Fast forward to 2024, and this classic car sold for $28,500 at auction, a testament to its enduring appeal and value as a collector's item. This 37 Ford Coupe boasts a beautifully restored exterior. The black paint has been meticulously corrected to its original single-stage finish, and the bright work on the bumpers, door handles, side view mirrors, and fuel cap has been polished to perfection. The front bumper even features the original Ford factory grille guard, adding a touch of authenticity. Factory color-matched steel wheels with V8 branded hubcaps are wrapped in wide white wall tires, completing the classic look. Step inside, and you're greeted by a tan cloth split bench seat, complemented by a matching headliner and door panels. The metal dashboard features a faux wood finish, as do the interior window surrounds, adding a touch of vintage charm. The instrument panel includes a 100 miles per hour speedometer, along with gauges for fuel level, coolant temperature, voltage, and oil pressure. Despite the 5-digit mechanical odometer reading 98,000 miles, the total chassis mileage remains unknown. Under the hood, you'll find the original 136 Ci flathead V8 engine, producing 60 horsepower at 3,500 RPM. This powerhouse is paired with its original 3-speed manual transmission, ensuring an authentic driving experience. Recent maintenance includes the replacement of the gas tank, fuel pump, water pumps, radiator, generator, and battery, ensuring the car runs as smoothly as it did in 1937. This 1937 Ford Coupe is described as a real-deal barn find, discovered in a Midwest barn in 1996. It was later moved to a barn in Ohio, where it sat on jack stands until October 2016. After reaching an agreement with a new collector, the car underwent a professional mild restoration, including drivetrain work and a paint correction. This restoration preserved its original charm while ensuring it remains roadworthy. Included with the sale are a 1937 Ford reference book, a clear Arizona title, recent service records, and other documentation. This car's journey even includes a fantastic trip down Route 66, from Chicago to Santa Monica, proving its reliability and readiness for new adventures. The 1937 Ford Business Coupe is more than just a car. It's a piece of history, a symbol of an era, and a testament to Ford's enduring legacy. This meticulously restored classic is ready for its next chapter, and we can't wait to see where it goes next. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more classic car reviews.